Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix night light not working on Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Display, turn on night light. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand display adapters, right-click display adapter, click Update driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand display adapters, right-click display adapter, click Update driver, click Browse my computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select model. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security, click Location, turn on Location Services. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update, click Check for updates. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.